Hello guys, how are you? My name is Kevin Chu. I'm the owner of Frigo. Today I want to make an announcement that we are looking for partners from Asian countries or from Europe. So if you have the sales channel or if you have the sales experience about electric scooters or electric e-bikes, please contact me. We can be partnership. We produce the e-bike, e-scooters for many years, and we have been selling very well in USA. Now we are looking for partners from Asian countries. So we supply the products. We ship the product to your local warehouse, and your job is to call the local dealers who have the physical stores selling e-bike or e-scooters. We can give you the a list of the store, their owner's phone number and email address or address. You can call them one by one, and so you find the shops for us, and we share the profit with you. So it's like a 70/30 or 80/20. We can do this business together. So you don't have to invest any money, and I invest money. All your job is to find the bike shops to sell Frigo e-bike, and we share profit. It's very simple business. We already working with more than 40 dealers in USA. We are working very well. So please contact me. Thanks so much.